lower arm, everything. Top arm, link arm, tire rod, everything. X5 2010. I need to replace, make it like a new. Well, he changed rear, top arm, but I will need to change it again. So everything need to be replaced. Let's start. First one, to take off this bush out. Good night, how are you?
Terrible.
What? Just left top, all done in the bottom. To take off this, there is one screw here and one behind there. Look. Arm done. It got adjusted as well. But I put standard, which is I put the screw, then you cannot adjust it. Just in normal like this. And all done is this side. We need to start this side. So the passenger side, you need to take off everything. ECU, extension tank, you see, move around everything, just to take off this fat bastard out. All good. Just this one left.